Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
Tonight we're going out to the Chattahoochee National Forest to do a hike and camp. Let's go. So we stopped at Donham Sports to get some extra supplies and stuff like that, and then we got to go to Walmart to grab some dehydrated food.
And a water bladder.
And a water bladder for me. But we're gonna run in here. My puppy's with us today, and let's go. So we made it to the hiking area. We got 4 of the 5 guys here already. But we're about to get on the hike as soon as he gets here. And then we're gonna find us a place to camp. So let's go. Go, Jenkins, go.
Hey, that's my name.
Go, Jenkins, go, Jenkins, go.
We are expert stream crossers at this point.
You like an answer? I am absolutely gassed right now. This place is awesome though. This place is absolutely awesome.
I know. You're welcome.
I'm gonna slowly zoom in on you.
Oh, I see all of us.
Man's got a drone finally. We're gonna get some good footage up in here. Just you wait. Place is awesome.
So we just got some drone footage, and now we're heading back out onto the trail. We got to get somewhere and get set up because obviously the sun's going down quick. So,
Oh, look at how cute he is. Where's your camera?
so we found our spot. Sun's going down. Topo and Jacob are over there in the water. The overview we were just at is through the woods. You can kind of see the person. Zachary's setting up a time lapse. We're about to be setting up the tent. So heck yeah. We finally got set up.
Yeah, it's already dead. Don't mean we need to chop it down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got all the tents set up. Now we're just chilling. We're gonna go back to the overlook. I'm shaking so bad. We're gonna go back to the overlook here in a little bit. I used my hammock as like a porch so that we could sit down on the ground because we hiked. How far do you think that hike was?
Barely a mile.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, still with a backpack and everything, and the elevation gain. It's our first like actual trip out here, so. But we made it.
Not a bad way to begin.
I can't wait for the next one already.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Speaking of, okay, so I've been meaning to play this with you.
I'm pretty sure this is usually only meant for lots of best situations.
It's not.
But I'm about to die. I'm about to die first.
I got water, boys. He's got water. You got it from the creek. So, you gonna drink creek water?
No. Can I see that there straw of yours?
He's gonna filter drink creek water. You almost sat on your dog. Yeah, we're over here on the Johns Mountain Trail, over here by the Pinhoti Trail.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're here at the Pinhoti Trail, camping with the boys.
Let's go. Yeah, see, he has a better intro than me.
Today, we're gonna be getting some creek water. Follow me.
That's kind of weird. He's got that zoomer instinct. He just kind of takes some of us.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like when clowns have sex. Okay, I'm not gonna get in that vulnerable position that Mason was in, but what we are gonna do.
We're chilling the
Yeah, up or
cokes.
Okay. Now, this shit's kind of weird, so bear with me here.
All right.
We're going. You kind of gotta put it in there, and you just kind of squirt. Yeah, you're trying to like pump it. The whole idea is you want to pump it. Shit, it's hard. It is hard though. Come on down, y'all.
You know how to use it? He's getting it in there.
That's what she said.
Yes, sir.
Guys, why are we so lewd? Why can't we be wholesome?
Oh God, we need to be one of those
We
wholesome
need to be wholesome.
kids YouTube channels.
Yeah, we can be wholesome.
Remember, kiss your mom on the lips. Okay?
What'd you say? Yeah, look at this plant. Get a close up on that plant.
Yeah, get closer on this plant.
No! Somebody pick it up! Somebody pick it up!
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it
Move
stopped.
right
It stopped. It stopped. Jacob!
Yeah, I hope this creek's clean. I can't clean this straw. It's nature. It's nature. It don't even matter.
Don't worry, that water's.
We're meant to drink this.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kid's always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains probably left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up sad. You don't need to show your faded love anymore.
So we're out here now watching sunset over the horizon. It's been a pretty great day.
It really has.
The hike out here was pretty strenuous,
Kicked my butt.
but we got out here, we got set up, and now we're just chilling. Gonna have to go back and make some food, get this little man some warmth. But yeah, so we got the camp light going. We're gonna cook some stroganoff with noodles. We're having to add more water for his, but yeah, we should be good.
Looks like first looks.
Kinda looks like Dookie. He's over here chopping wood.
You guys
Chase is over there. What you doing over there, Chase?
Wait, I'm gonna buy you out. I'm drinking
He's drinking creek water.
and I got chocolate brownie Cliff Bar
Heck yeah.
and off-brand great value beef. Very awesome.
I heard that. Bro, good. Oh my gosh.
Get you a good look at that.
Oh. We got more water boiling for theirs. Got Puppy up under here sleeping.
You have a spider on your leg.
Why did you ever see this little foldable net at Walmart? Don't buy it. Spend the extra like $3 and get the inflatable thing. Ugh. morning.
Noah's got his food going. We're cooking. Zach's in there trying to roll up his sleeping bag. So we got up, got our bags packed, tents down, everything like that. Now we're gonna continue the hike from last night, just to make it back to the car. But first we're gonna enjoy this view, and come on, let's go. Look at your pack. What kind of pack do you have?
I got a Osprey something, 60 liter.
Nice.
Pretty good pack.
Yo, Chase! What kind of pack do you have? What kind of pack do you have?
I'm so glad you asked. I have the REI Co-op Trail Break 50.
Wow.
Actually, I think that's what it's called. I have no idea.
Close enough, whatever.
I'm pretty sure from my memory of buying it on the website, that's what it said.
Just tuck and roll.
Well, we're at the car.
Yeah, we are.
We can see it. We're almost there, so.
All these things could do now. Nothing too right.
But we stayed the night. We saw the waterfalls, got some drone footage, and now we've made it back. So I'll load up and go get something real to eat instead of those
fake eggs.
Yeah.
That was gross.
Alright.
Breakfast was very disappointing.
It was. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in the next one.